Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to add or remove a map from your Dataczar Connect website. So the first thing we want to do is we want to get logged into our account. So I'm going to go to dataczar.com, get my username, my password. And once you log in, it's going to take you to the dashboard. So from the dashboard, we're going to scroll down on the main menu. We're going to click on Manage Accounts. And this is where we're going to adjust the map, either add it or delete it, or actually adjust some information that's on it. So let's take a quick look at the website. Here's the website. If you scroll down to the bottom next to the newsletter sign up, we have a map. So if you're looking to add a map, this is where it'll show. If you're looking to delete it, you can delete it from this area right here. So let's go back to Connect. Right now we're under Manage Accounts, and we're going to click the Edit button. And the easiest way to remove the map from your website is to uncheck this right here, which is Use Info to help customers find your business. If I uncheck that and I click Update, always takes me back to my dashboard, so we'll go back to Manage Accounts. But after I click Update, I unchecked it. We're going to go back to the map, and I'm going to refresh the screen here, and you're going to see that the map disappears. So the map's gone. That's how you would remove the map from your website. Let's go back to Connect. We're under Manage Accounts again, under Edit. We're going to recheck this, and that's going to put the map back on the website. So we're going to update that. Tab back here. I'm going to refresh the screen on the website, and the map's back up again. So now let's show you how to remove or adjust this information right here under your contact. So we're going to go back to Connect, back to Manage Accounts. We're going to click Edit. Let's say that you don't want the street address. So 123 Example Street, we're going to remove that. You don't have to have all that. And let's say the phone number. Let's say we don't want the phone number either. Let's go ahead and remove that as well. So we're going to leave this checked because we want the map to show, but we just want to show Los Angeles, California. We don't want to show our address or phone number. We're going to click Update, and we'll go back to the website, and let's refresh it. Right now it has 123 Example Street, Los Angeles, California, with the 5555 phone number. So let's refresh the screen, and there it is. The contact information is now just Los Angeles, California with the zip code. And we'll go back to Connect, Manage Accounts, back to Edit. Again, if you want to remove the map altogether, uncheck Use This Info. If you want the map, check the box Use This Info to help customers find your business. And you can add the address, you can add the phone number, whatever you would like to do. So that's it. That's how you remove or add a map from your Dataczar Connect website.